Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to make a traffic light system by using the given components. For making the traffic light system, the components what we need are a 9-volt battery connector, a breadboard, 3 tactile switches, a 330 ohm resistor, some jumper cables and LEDs. Now first of all you have to insert the tactile switches on the breadboard. As I have told you, tactile switches will be placed by visualizing the position of notch. Now I am going to insert my three tactile switches at equal distance on the breadboard. First I have inserted. Now going to take the second one, taking the distance of 3 columns, then the third one. At regular intervals I have just kept this switches. Now as this is the positive terminal I have taken, suppose this is the positive line, first line, so I take a resistor of 330 ohm from the first rail and place it to the second rail. As you can see what I did, I have just taken the resistor from the first line to the second line of the breadboard. Okay, second row of the breadboard, first row to second row. Why? Because it will reduces the amount of current which is passing through the battery, because battery is of 9 volt and LEDs are of 3 volt. Now take the jumper cable and now you have to use this second column, a second row, a second rail as a power source of positive. Now use this red wire for first switch, now red then yellow for the second switch, and then green for the third switch. Just I'm putting it here just to make it look like symmetrical. Now along with the red side I have to add this because positive is coming, so positive should be on this side. So positive terminal should be on this side and using it on the second, not on this. You cannot use on the first line because these two are interconnected, as I have already told you. Now these things will be connected like this. Okay, now this, and third one. Oh, by mistake I have kept the green LED. Green should be here. Now yellow along with the yellow. It will be easier for you to distinguish between the colors. Now let's start checking. As I have completed the circuit, you can see. Now let's check the working. Red is glowing, yellow is glowing, green is glowing. So this is how my traffic light will work. Okay, separately we can also glow because these three are the parallel circuit different, so we can glow two LEDs together also. These two I can even glow all the threes together, but this is not the concept of traffic light. We have to firstly glow red, then yellow, then green. So I hope you understood how to make the traffic light by using the components in your circuit box. We'll meet in the next video with a new concept. Bye bye.